next examples. So if x is equal to u of 1 minus of v and y is equal to ub, then evaluate j and j dash. Find Jacobian of this. Then verify or prove that j into j dash is equal to 1 ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. First given function ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟ ನಾನು ಬರ್ಕೋರಿ. Solution x is equal to u of 1 minus of v. So x is equal to u minus of ub and y is equal to ub. So ಏನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು j of x Jacobian of xy divided by u into v, right? So first differentiate partially with respect to u and v ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು first because of I want to find j is equal to dou of xy divided by dou of uv, so that equal to determinant of dou x by dou u, dou x by dou v, dou y by dou u, dou y by dou v, right? So you must find dou x by u, dou y by u, means function x with respect to ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು u1 ಮತ್ತು v ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, function y ಗೆ u and v differentiation ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು partially. So dou x by dou u, so that equal to 1 minus of v ಬರ್ತೈತಿ, dou x by dou v, so it is 0 minus of u ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. Then dou y by dou u, so that equal to v, dou y by dou v, so that equal to u, right? So you must find putting all these values in this equation, what you get j of, so it is dou x by dou u, it is 1 minus of v, so dou x by dou v, it is minus of u, dou y by dou u, it is v and it is u, then it is plus, it is minus, then simplify 1 minus of v into u, minus of minus plus, it is ub, so j of 1 minus u minus of ub plus ub, so that equal to u, so Jacobian value is u1. Similarly in find ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು j dash is equal to dou of ub divided by dou of x1, right? So that equal to determinant of dou u by dou x, dou u by dou r, then dou v by dou x, then dou v by dou y, right? So function of u gave with respect to x and y ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, but function in the form of x is equal to f of ub, y is equal to f of ub, ನನಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು u is equal to ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ, but ನಾನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, should convert in the form of u of f of x, p of f of xy. So take this equation given ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋರಿ. Any value x is equal to this, call this equation 1 and it is y is equal to this equation 2. So adding 1 and 2, so x plus 1, so that equal to u minus of uv plus uv, so get cancelled, therefore x plus y is equal to u1, therefore u is equal to x plus 1. Then differentiate dou u by dou x is equal to 1, dou u by dou y is equal to 1, but y is equal to anything ub, so therefore ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕು b is equal to ಬೇಕು, so y divided by u, so b is equal to y divided by x plus y, because of u value is x plus y, replace that part, so it is v and it is u, differentiate this dou v by dou x, differentiate partially with respect to x, y is constant, take it outside, differentiation of 1 by x, it is minus of 1 divided by x square, x in terms of x plus y, into differentiation of x plus y is 1, so dou v by dou x is 1. Next similarly dou v by dou y, so put ಮಾಡಿ, so u by v form, so dou v by dou y, ಮೇಲೆ u y ಇದೆ, ಕೆಳಗೂ y ಇದೆ, with respect y ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ u by v form ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, so v as it is, differentiation of v is 1, u minus y as it is, So differentiation of x plus y is 1 divided by p square. It is whole square. Do p by do 1, so that equal to it is x divided by x plus y whole square. So it is x divided by it is u square. Because of x plus y is q. Then find it manually, putting all these values in this determinant. Then simplify to get it. So j dash is equal to, so it is 1 1